Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are safe. So students, we are in unit 1, that is hardware basics. We were discussing the hardware components of a system unit, and in that we discussed the motherboard, then we discussed the processor and its two components, that is CU and ALU, and their functionalities. Then we talked about the memory and the types of memory, RAM and ROM. Then in today's lesson we will talk about the expansion cards and the expansion slots, which are also the hardware components inside the system unit. First of all, the expansion cards. The expansion cards are circuit boards that provide more functionality to peripheral devices. They are also called interface cards. The most commonly used expansion cards are graphic card. It is also called video card, and it is used to display images on the screen. Whether it is image or videos or any kind of colored pictures or videos, animations, they are displayed with the help of graphic card. Second, sound card. It is used for voice input and output. Modem card. The modem card is used for communication via telephone lines. This is the modem card which enables our computer to connect with the network or to connect with the internet through telephone lines. And the second network component, that is network interface card. Modem card and network interface card, both of them are used for accessing the internet or for connecting with a network. So NIC, it is used for the transmission of data over network, which connects various components and other devices such as printer. In the coming slide we will have the diagrams or the pictures of these expansion cards. This is the graphic card. This is the picture of the sound card, which is used for sound input and output. Internal modem inside the system unit, and further we also have external modem. This is the NIC card. This is the NIC, stands for network interface card. This is the Ethernet port where we plug in the Ethernet cable, and this NIC card is plugged into PCI slot. This one is the wireless network interface card. Because nowadays most of the people, they are using the wireless network like Wi-Fi network, so for that purpose we need the wireless NIC card, that is wireless network interface card. It enables our computer to connect with the wireless network, while this card, which is just the network interface card, it enables us to connect with the wired network or by using the Ethernet cable and plugging in that Ethernet cable or the RJ45 connector into this port, which is called Ethernet port. Okay, this is the external modem that we use at our homes for connecting with the network. This one is the internal modem, and this is the external modem, which is used with the computers. Now, expansion slots. Expansion slots are sockets on the motherboard into which we can plug expansion cards. Without expansion slots, expansion cards are useless. Mostly computers have 4 to 8 expansion slots. The well-known expansion slots are AGP, Accelerated Graphics Port. AGP stands for Accelerated Graphics Port. It's a high-speed expansion slot for attaching a video card to a computer's motherboard. Video card means the graphics card. To a computer's motherboard to display 3D computer graphics. ISA. This is the second most commonly used expansion slot in the computers, but nowadays it is used very rarely because this is an old technology. ISA stands for Industry Standard Architecture. Is a slow expansion slot, rarely used now, used to attach input devices or modems. PCI. PCI stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect. Is a computer expansion slot for attaching expansion cards in a computer like sound card. So these are a few expansion slots which are discussed in your book. You must remember the abbreviations of these expansion slots, like AGP stands for Accelerated Graphics Port, ISA stands for Industry Standard Architecture, and PCI stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect. Here we are having the picture of a motherboard, and in this we can see that the slots are labeled. These 4 white colored slots, they are called PCI slots, Peripheral Component Interconnect. These are the PCI slots over the motherboard. While on the other side, if we see these 3 black slots, they are called ISA slots, Industry Standard Architecture slots. And this one, which is right in the middle of this motherboard, that is your AGP slot, Accelerated Graphic Port slot, where we insert the graphics card or the video card.
Okay students, so here your first unit ends, which was about hardware basics. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. In the next lesson we will be solving the exercise of this unit. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Take care.